it's windy. I dropped Jupiter off. He's sitting a test, and I happen to know that in this neighborhood is the Cass Art store, the really big art supply store. So I think I'm gonna pay it a visit. Although bad news is that I don't actually need any art supplies, so we'll see how I get on. Although having said that, the question is, does one ever not need art supplies? Answer in the comments. So, you know, I went in there with the express instruction to myself that I was not allowed to buy any art journals. What did I buy? It's dangerous when you go into a shop when you don't need anything, because then you can basically convince yourself that you need everything. We're in a Christmas village garden. What are you doing here, Zach?
I am making a walnut and raisin bread.
Nice. Are you supervising?
Yes, I am the 3 Michelin star chef who's overseeing the creation here. I'm very particular.
I see. But this is the creative genius at work here.
This is the sous chef, do you mind?
Yeah.
This is the understudy. That's a big.
He's the creative genius. Creative genius, yes. Gosh, that looks so appetizing. Hello. Right. Excitement. My final thing that I ordered off of Depop arrived, which is another skirt. This is a skirt with little hearts on it. So I thought that was very me. I have to say though, the other skirt, which is from the same brand, is slightly too big. I hope this is gonna fit. We'll see. I don't like wearing stuff that's too tight. It really gives me a stomachache, so I tend to go one size up, but then it can sometimes happen that things are a bit baggy. I thought it would be fun to show you my little art haul. I went to Cass Art, where I obviously didn't buy anything because I didn't need anything. I realized I've actually left something downstairs. I just have to run and get it. Alright, so now I'm out of breath. But oh yes, and my Amazon order came as well with the fountain pen ink. So I will show you what I got there as well. Right, messy desk, messy desk. Let's show you what I got. I got myself some of this Parker fountain pen ink. I went for the blue black. I think it's what it's called, yeah, because I didn't want it to be too blue. It's always difficult to know when you're ordering something online, but hopefully this will be nice. I didn't want to go for black because I love that look of blue fountain pen ink writing. It's just, you know, something from childhood. I like it. I got one of these to start with just to see how I get on. If I get into this, I might get more so I can do like different colors and stuff, but for now I just got the one. I will be looking up how to fill this before I actually do it, because otherwise I'm afraid of making a big mess. So yeah, so that's gonna go into my nice Lamy Safari pen, which I love. So funny story about this pen actually, I felt so guilty buying this because I bought this, I think it was like at the start of COVID, and like was trying to save money and not be frivolous and stuff, and I bought this after a therapy session, and I just felt really guilty, but it has been one of my best purchases since. So anyway, what else did I get from Amazon? Oh yes, I bought myself a little box of these double-sided pencils, just for fun. And then at the art shop, where I didn't buy anything, I bought some pencil extenders so that I can keep using things like this, my little ends of pencils. And I got myself a new pink Molotov marker. I do love these, and I love buying a new one every once in a while just to kind of add to my collection. I really rate these. They are working great for me in mixed media work, and their longevity is quite good. And I also like that you can buy new tips for them, so that if they do get knackered, you can replace them, which is how I replaced the tips in this one. It's the 1mm one, and these got really badly clogged, so I replaced the tips and now it is fine again. I got myself a Fudenosuke marker. I was recommended this, but I actually already had one ages ago that I think it ran out, so I got myself a new one. And oh yes, and then I didn't get myself an art journal. Haha, embarrassed laugh. Okay, so I did go to the floor where they had all of their art journals, and I was like, no, I'm not allowed to have anything. But then I saw this section where they had these interesting journals with all these, like, made of these recycled papers, or I don't know if they're recycled papers actually. It says they're handmade paper. And I saw a couple of sketchbooks by this brand and by another brand as well that were like super landscape. So I was like, okay, I haven't got anything like that. And then I saw this one with these interesting covers and the interesting paper. So I thought I would give that a try. So I went for this one, which is 210 GSM smooth, 100% cotton. Smooth paper. It's by Kadi Sketchbooks. I'm really curious. So they've got the nice ragged kind of edges, and then the paper itself, it's quite smooth, although it's got much more of a texture than some paper. But yeah, I'm just excited to try and experiment with this odd, long, thin, what do you call it, format. So that's what I got. I mean, that's what I didn't get. You have to understand that I did not get this. And then I also got totally swayed at the till to buy some more, because that's where they have the display with the washi tape. I got some washi tape, so I got some sunflowers, and I got some of this floral, pretty kind of vintage floral, and then I got this very kind of geometric shapes. So that was my little totally unwarranted treat to myself art supply haul. It's funny because Jupiter keeps saying to me, "Oh mum, you have to treat yourself," and I'm like, don't worry, I did. Realized these pencils are kind of funny because I don't have a pencil sharpener that is the right size. The big pencil sharpener on this duo one is too big and the small one is too small. Definitely doesn't fit into this Stabilo one. This is for Woody's, is much too big. How do you sharpen these pencils? Apart from with a knife. Okay, let me tell you this, because I found out, so you don't have to, that the word permanent, when it comes to ink, does not mean it's waterproof. I bought this thinking it was waterproof, but it is definitely not. It is basically the same as these cartridges. This is the ink from the cartridge. This is the ink from the bottle. They both completely dissolve in water. So basically what you want is waterproof ink if you want stuff that you can put water onto, and the word permanent should not be understood to mean waterproof. It just means that it doesn't fade. So yeah, I made this mistake so you don't have to. In any case, that's a very big bottle of ink that I now won't actually be using. Oh, I wish we had smell-o-vision.
Yeah, it smells really nice. Hope you smell it.
Ooh, it looks authentic.
This is homemade, me-made, walnut and raisin loaf.
So you know what's hilarious? I went to send this back to Amazon to get refund. Apparently I got a returnless refund. So instead of, like, I get to keep it, but I get a refund, which, like, okay, yay, but I'm not gonna use it. I'm obviously, like, I'm not gonna throw it away, but now I've just got a bottle of ink that I'm not gonna use, but whatevs. Whatever. It is Saturday night. I am gonna take a break from the vlog editing. So this vlog is gonna not come out on Sunday, but probably on Monday, because although vlogging on the weekend is fine, like I enjoy it, I don't necessarily feel like editing. I mean, maybe I'll feel differently tomorrow, but it's weekends are a little bit more like doing stuff around the house, doing stuff with the kids, and not as much computer time, so it doesn't really necessarily fit in with knocking out the editing. What else? It's 9:30. I am kind of getting to that tired point, but I really still want to do something with my time. So I think I'm going to go upstairs. I'm going to catch up on my vlog watching, because I am not watching vlogs that I want to be watching of the people that I did a shout out for the other day. Like, I just want to do some vlog watching, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I will go and maybe do some art, play with my new art supplies, play in the new art journal that I didn't get. Hello, good morning. It is 11 o'clock on a Sunday and I haven't had my breakfast yet and I am so hungry. Oh, I'm doing that thing. Dread Pirate Brie introduced this new form of vlogging. It's basically where you only see this part of your head. That's a joke. It made me laugh really hard. You should check out our vlogs. So I'm making some breakfast for myself. This is some apple chopped up with cinnamon and some sugar and in the microwave. So it's like nice and soft and sweet. And then I'm going to add some shreddies to it and some pecan nuts, and then top it up with yogurt. At the same time, it's also breakfast time for Teak. It's just one of those Sunday things, you know, like on Sunday where you do like, where you just do lots of little jobs, like refilling the cat food bins. I need to do the cat litter. I cleaned the bathroom earlier. Ugh, cleaning this house is so thankless. It's like, it's such an old house and everything gets dirty so quickly. So it's horrible. And also I hate cleaning. Hate. Anyway, how does this work? I've just been sitting around binge watching New Girl. I mean, that is a pretty good thing to be doing on a Sunday, right? But I really need to do some stuff. So I'm gonna just do some stuff that I need to do, and then I'm gonna continue my binge watch and maybe eat cake. So it's Sunday, which means it's time to do my twice weekly COVID test, and I need to do the cat litter, and I need to wash up a big pot. So premium vlog content. Everybody loves a good cleaning montage, right? Another day, another opportunity to wear Ravenclaw socks. I don't think it surprises anyone that I'm a Ravenclaw, right? Right, I'm quickly putting on my shoes to take the kids to school. Only 2 more weeks, 2 more school weeks until the holidays. Yay! But that also means it's less than 2 weeks until my Christmas concert, and I still haven't learned the words to the logical song. So that's slightly dire. Anyway, right now I'm going to close out this vlog and say thank you very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying these Vlogmas vlogs. A happy Monday. Bye!